So one of the issues I had when I started using a counter pressure filler, especially one like this, was how to clean it. So originally when I built the stand, my goal was to make it so that this piece, and it does actually swivel up so I could pull, I unscrew this, I could pull this whole thing off. In fact, I can show you here really quick. So my thought was, great, I'm done filling, disconnect gas, swing this up, I can slide this off, take it to the sink and go clean it. That's all fine and dandy, but a couple of issues happened. The big one, and just probably because I'm anal and meticulous, but I couldn't clean this, the blow-off valve, because the only possible way to get liquid to go through there is to have pressure underneath there so that liquid goes up and out. There's no amount of, and you can't, because this tubing's in the way, I can't really get pressure at all there. So I was trying to figure out how to clean that. And again, I don't drink out of this, so it's not a big deal. But over time, it would just make it messy and nasty, and I don't really want that. So I was thinking about ways I could do this, and I actually found a pretty cool way. So all I do is literally just fill up a bottle with cleaner. In my case, I usually do water because I'm doing it right away. And literally just kind of reverse fill it, essentially. So we throw that bottle of water on there, fill it all the way to the top, and let's make sure that's there and that's there. Grab another bottle just to hold stuff, like the liquid that's going to come out. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'll hook this up to gas and give it a little gas here, and then we're going to literally, because I want this open, as soon as I put gas into this bottle, it's going to shoot, it's going to shoot water out the blow-off valve. And there we go. It just spit out a good chunk of water until it got below the line of where the blow-off valve starts. So that's enough to clean it out. As you can see, that was all foam before. Now it's clean. So now, to clean out the liquid line, I do the same thing. And actually, a little bit of gravity helps here. So if you want to hold it a little lower, you can actually get a siphon going. So one thing you want to do is close the blow-off valve. And now you're literally just going to pressurize the bottle. And as you can see, usually I do it like twice. And there we go. I think I got a siphon going. Yes, I do. So literally all the water from there is now rolling through here into this bottle. Let me do it one more time just to get a little faster. And there we go. Pretty much done. So at that point, just take that out there, blow off any overpressure, and you've literally got it all cleaned it's pretty much cleaned in place. So I throw it up here, drain it. Oops. And done. Take it down, store it over here. And that's how you clean a counter pressure filler. Cheers.